Presenting the 2008 Infiniti G35 Sedan X. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include rear-reading lamps, multi-zone AC, heated front seat, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, rear defrost, rear head airbag, and ABS. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.